Okay, I'm gonna mash my meatballs, and then I'm gonna mash it, and then I'm gonna put the seasoning in it, and then we'll be done.
Okay. Where's your seasoning? Here, stand up, Nylah. I don't want you sitting by your oven there. Your like stove.
The seasoning is right
That's your
here.
seasoning? Okay. You gonna pour it in? You can pour it in now. Uh-huh. Yep.
All of it.
Yeah. And now mix it all together. Because you gotta make your meatballs. Right?
Yep. Time for me to make these little balls.
Make your meatballs. And you got your little pan on your stove and you sprayed it. I helped her out, guys. You're gonna make your meatballs and you're just gonna nicely, gently place it in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm making a bowl right now.
Oops, sorry.
Last thing is broccoli, and I already rinsed it.
Okay, cut your broccoli. Yeah, the thing I love about this is that is not sharp, not even a little bit. It doesn't hurt her. I mean, this is perfect for little kids who loves to cook. You know, right? No, Nana, put it down. Yeah, and if you want, Nylah, take it like this and cut this off if you want.
Guys, I made oranges. We got some oranges.
Looks good.
Macaroni. What is this?
That's cornbread, girl.
Cornbread, broccoli, and meatballs.
That looks good, Nylah. And our first day of kindergarten is tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'm going to kindergarten.
You go, girlfriend.